Hey guys, good morning. It's Dr. Faith, professional speaker, author, and life coach with Coaching by Faith. And this is your 3 minutes of empowerment. Now, I know that this seating is a little bit different. That's because I'm actually on my way out of the beautiful Central Florida to visit a family member in a very important time of need. So I'm kind of airing live here as I'm traveling. But don't worry, I'm not driving. I'm here with my nephew, CJ.
Hi.
And then his mom is driving, but you can't hear her. Shout out.
See me, hello. But you can hear me.
Yes. Anyhow, we're going to look out for our loved ones and just make sure that everything is okay. But let me tell you, as I'm driving out of town, a very important topic came to mind. It's just the simple fact of dealing day by day with situations, circumstances, adversity, just anything that has the potential to stress you. One thing that's very important is you do not want to relapse. Whatever those addictions and habits have been in your past that you've been working so hard to overcome, I just want to empower you this day and know that you can put some things in motion and ensure that you do not relapse into bad behavior. For example, this has been a very stressful time for me and my family as we look after our loved one who's going through a very critical situation. My relapse temptation has been to overeat. Many of you don't know it, but I've lost over 85 pounds, and it has taken me 13 years, and I've kept those pounds off. Well, my temptation has been to grab something to eat, whatever it is that's close, fast food, cakes, and just different things. But you know what? I've had to just really put some things in place that would assist me. I stuffed my refrigerator with healthy foods. I was out of my house every day at the gym, just making sure that I was not relapsing into bad habits. So when times get tough, you feel stressed, situations are not working as you would like to, the message here is avoid relapsing. Do not go back to bad habits. It will not make you better. It will only make you worse. So try your best, put some good habits in place, and make sure that you're doing whatever you can do to keep moving forward. This is Dr. Faith, your 3 minutes of empowerment. Guys, have a wonderful and a triumphant day.